my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When I take a break during the afternoon, I like sipping a nice cold beverage. It can be an iced tea, strawberry agua fresca, lemonade, and so on. I'm a coffee lover, and besides my Vietnamese iced coffee, here's my take on Frappuccino. Quick and super easy to make, this drink is so refreshing and also delicious. With this recipe, you don't have to step out to enjoy one. So let's get mixing. We have an espresso machine, but for those of you who don't own one, let's do the recipe without it. So in a measuring cup, we'll add instant espresso powder. Here's the brand I like, and nope, I am not being paid for saying that. Then we'll top it off with 2 cups of boiling water. Stir well until the granules are dissolved and let it cool off before transferring to the fridge for at least a couple hours. Later on, we'll pour our chilled espresso in the jar of a blender as well as cold milk. David is at work, so I'm making only one right now. Some salted caramel sauce. To get my homemade recipe, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. And then lots of ice cubes. Of course, we'll put the lid on and process until everything is nicely blended and the ice cubes are liquefied. Just like any recipe, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. Because I find espresso to be strong and bitter, I like adding some powdered sugar, but adjust to your liking. Obviously, if we add some, we'll have to process again. Next, we'll drizzle a little bit of caramel sauce into a tall glass, pour in the espresso mixture, and pipe in a generous amount of whipped cream. To make this amazing recipe, the link is on your screen. For the finishing touch, why not add more caramel sauce on top? Yum! And my friends, this is our Caramel Frappuccino. Totally pure indulgence, this amazing cold coffee beverage is a real treat, especially on a hot summer day. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!